Hey everyone, and welcome back. So this is my cousin. It's not my cousin, it is my partner's cousin Hannah, and she's coming today for a fresh set. So I done all the prep work on her natural nails. I applied these tips. These tips are CJP's square tips, and I just fold them to shape. So I applied the clear layer, and now I'm going in with my design. So the pink there I was using was Cherry Blossom from CJP. And now I'm going in with this colour. It is a Glam and Glitz colour. I will tell you in a minute what it's called because I just can't remember off the top of my head, but once I've done this recording I'll run and have a look. And I'm just creating an ombre. So that green colour was Boogie Board. Boogie Board. Why did that make me want to sing? But anyway, back to the video trace. This is Ice Cream Pop from Glam and Glitz. And I'm creating a full nail of that. I do love these Glam and Glitz colours. They're so pigmented. Like, you saw me put a little bit of the cuticle area and drag down, and it's just so pigmented. The whole nail was covered. Honestly, I do love that about them. So now I'm going in with a little bit of glitter. I'm using Diamond Glitters. God, I'm struggling to talk today. Diamond Glitters, Golden Flamingo, and I'm putting it at the tip, blending down, but I'm going to concentrate and put it down one side of the nail rather than just your normal fade. The middle finger is going to be a full nail of Boogie Board. God, I'm such a child. Because we're going to put a few crystals on that. And look at the pigment. Amazing. So the pointer finger is going to be full glitter, but we're going to have some different colours in the background. So I'm using the green in the middle, I'm using Snow White at the tip, and then the pink at the cuticle area. And I'm not really bothered if they're blended, I just wanted the colour there because, like I said, we're going to go over the top with some glitter. So then over the top of that, I'm using Diamond Glitter's Angel Glitter, and I'm just putting that over the entire nail. I love this glitter. I love this effect that it created. It was stunning. My Hannah was like, oh my god, what the hell is she doing at first? But then she was like, that's my favourite now. So I was pleased with that. So yeah, it just shows, it's like glitter now, but then it just shows the different colours. Oh, I can't even describe it. Just do it. You'll love it. So then the thumb is going to be a full nail of that green, and then I use the same glitter, Angel Glitter, and just do a fade from the cuticle area down. So I've just left a little tiny clip of me shaping the nails, but I just wanted to talk to you about my nails, because I know I'm a nail technician and they're absolutely disgusting. You know, shoot me down, whatever. But I said in my other video that I dyed my niece's hair brown the day before this, so I stained all my hands and my nails and everything was stained, and it still is today, to be fair. Because I don't wear gloves, because I'm silly. But also the ring finger, you keep noticing it looks like a dirty smoker's fingernail, but it's not. I did yellow on that finger originally. I did an acrylic design, but I didn't like it, so I just used this gel polish over the top, and that's why you can see like a really disgusting yellow fingernail, but it's just the colour of the acrylic. So I did my filing and shaping and buffing, and then she gave them a good scrub with some soap and water. And now I'm applying my top coat. I'm using CJP's tack-free top gloss. I did apply these crystals beforehand, but I forgot to record. I didn't record because it's just boring. You don't want to see crystal placement, do you? Or do you? I don't know. So I like to go around those crystals with the gel polish, with the top coat, otherwise you will dull the shine. So then do that. She cures in the lamp for 60 seconds, and then I apply some cuticle oil, and that is the set complete. I do hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, and if you're not already subscribed to my channel, I'd love it if you did. Oh, look at it. And I forgot to say, make sure you wait till the end to see the video of, you know, the final result. It looks stunning. See you on my next one. Bye.